Late in the day on October 30th, and Dad is back from his doctor's appointment down south here yesterday, and he was eager to get back to the shop. And I just got up here. I wasn't feeling good this afternoon, but we'll go see what Dad's up to and get the update. So it looks like he's still doing some painting here, and
I'm all finished on the painting.
okay.
These doors off of our
Yeah.
M7. I gotta clean them up and sand them and mask it and paint it, and then I'm done.
Okay, so this is like Dad said, off of our Muskeg Bombardier, and he's only got the one set of lights on here, so these look all done now, all painted. This is all the peripheral pieces that would have come off of our machine. So all we need now is the windows from the customer's Muskeg Tractor. And I talked to the supplier here this morning, and they're shipping everything up on Gardewine, so if we don't see it tomorrow, probably Monday, so we can get that progress done. And Dad has already got ahead by doing all the priming and painting on these pieces, because he's eager to actually get back to our machine, because we know we've got one, if not two, Bombardiers coming in very quickly. And he's just done the cleaning up. Then we had everything stored over here, so it's now out of there. And yeah, so can't do too much excitement on painting, but
The gaskets and
oh,
the manifolds are on both
right,
sides.
yes.
So what I'll do now is I'll get it out here so I can clean it good, take the valve covers off, put a new intake in, and get this one ready.
Okay,
That has to go in there before I finish the rest.
okay, so
It's dry already.
oh, it's dry already.
Yeah, taking both sides.
Oh, so you're done with the painting.
I'm done with painting.
Good. Okay, sorry about the nose, guys, but we got the furnace on full blast there, and it's a little warmer in the shop, but that's what Dad needs. So end of day, we'll just go have a wet with Dad, and Emily's not outside, but I give Charlie his treats already. So yeah, that's why I wanted to change out the filter. So
Can't see something.
yeah, there you go. So this is the high grade filter we put in, and I've changed it out the other day, and that's how bad it went in a couple of days. And there's little Nina Pinta Santa Maria. Hey, what a good little dog we've got. Saturday, November 1st, and Dad is now working on the doors for the our Bombardier Muskeg Tractor, and he's got a lot of patching and welding yet to do and filling in. These are the last two items that Dad actually has to do, and the windows for the customer's machine are due in on Monday or Tuesday. So he's got a little bit of work here to do, so he's getting kind of caught up as much as he can so that he can focus in on our Bombardier Muskeg Tractor. A little loud because we got the furnace on right now and the fan. Dad needs it to be a little warmer in the shop, but he's already got a plan here for getting the motor and transmission off, and probably going to move it in here and get that machine backed in somehow. But we've got to get 4 guys together to move this up here, because we don't have enough bodies, and it's just heavy enough to be a pain in the ass. So he wants to get that off and then paint it and sand everything down, or prime, painted, and everything else done, and then we can continue on with our Bombardier Muskeg Tractor. So this one here, as soon as the windows come in, it can be rolled out. We're gonna try and park it into one of our outbuildings, and then it'll be for sale, and then hopefully Dad can do what he has to do on here and get this done and done. and then it'll be for sale as well. We've got a couple bombardiers, regular bombardiers coming into the shop, and so that will be Dad's winter work. One for sure, if not two. We're just waiting on them to arrive. And little dog is starting to nest here, and she loves her shop. And she's taken over the couch from Charlie. Charlie's nesting in his doghouse outside, but yeah, it's just a chilly November day. Surprisingly, we don't have snow yet. Figured yesterday we were going to have snow. Dad said we got a little snow out at the shop, but it melted by the time I got out here, and there was a tiny little skiff, or might have been just frost on the cars here this morning. But yeah, cool enough that Dad's moved in now for the winter, and we're just gonna keep on pumping up that furnace, make sure it's hot in here. And Dad's gonna go out and visit one of his bombardier buddies here this afternoon with another bombardier buddy. It's they're gonna go spend the afternoon doing some visiting and whatnot. So just a lazy Saturday afternoon for Dad, and so he's just taking his time doing his thing, and little dog's just happier than hell. And so yeah, we'll go check on the big dogs later on. I forgot to mention, Dad actually has everything already done here. He's just got it all covered up so it's not getting scraped or covered in dust. Okay, so Dad has all the peripheral pieces here. It's got some painting done. It's all just wrapped up so it doesn't get dust or scratched. He's going to finish that off, and we've got the rad right here. Got to get rid of this motor here, so that belongs to Dennis Evans. So if anybody's looking for a motor, it's already compression tested, and if you want it, you can buy it for $1,500. We need it out of the shop, otherwise Dennis has got to be picking it up. Got a bunch of other parts back here that Dad's got to sort through, like some of these guards here and whatever else. If you notice, like, this is all the other stuff he's put away. But yeah, he's got some other stuff that go with this Muskeg tractor back here, so hopefully we can get some of that cleaned up. Yeah. And so yeah, once these two machines are out, we can clean up the shop a bit more. It just kind of gets overwhelming once you start putting stuff on both sides of the shop here, and so he runs out of room real quick. But once those two machines in, we can kind of get back in there. And we got some original parts Dad mentioned that he has that he's been storing away here. You'd have to really look through some of these drawers here, but he said he found some original Bombardier parts. I'm going to be maybe doing a video at some point here to highlight some of those things. So we got a lot of extra stuff, and just really want to clean up the shop. So if you're looking for extra parts, by all means come on down and come visit Dad. You might be able to do a deal with him. And well, we'll just let Dad get back to his day here. So Dad's just grinding out some of the rivets because windows aren't closing properly, so he's going to fix the window sliding mechanism. Everybody's got their grub and their treats, and even little Nina is going to stay in the doghouse. Yeah, you're an old peckerhead, I know that.